Welcome to AliExpress, your one-stop destination for all your shopping needs. AliExpress is an online shopping giant offering a vast array of products from countless categories. Think of it like a global marketplace where you can find items from sellers all over the world. It connects buyers with sellers from around the world, making international shopping easier than ever. You can find millions of products, often at incredibly low prices, ranging from electronics to fashion and home goods. This makes it a haven for bargain hunters and entrepreneurs alike, who are always on the lookout for great deals. The platform is known for its wide selection and competitive pricing, ensuring you get the best value for your money. Whether you're looking for the latest electronics, trendy fashion items, or essential home goods, AliExpress likely has it, and probably at a price that's hard to beat. So why wait? Start exploring AliExpress today and discover amazing deals. Why care about popular products? Because they're already selling. Tapping into existing demand simplifies things. You don't need to convince people to want a product, they already do. Popular products reveal trends. They show you what people are buying right now. This insight is invaluable for anyone looking to start a business or find winning products to sell. Start your search right on the AliExpress homepage. Look for sections like best-selling or trending now. These are curated lists of products that are flying off the virtual shelves. Pay attention to product pages. Look for high order counts and positive reviews. These are strong indicators of a product's popularity and customer satisfaction. Section 4: AliExpress Secret Weapons. Discover the hidden gems that can elevate your e-commerce game. AliExpress has built-in tools to help you find hot products. These tools are designed to make your search for profitable items easier and more efficient. Use the search bar to explore specific niches or product categories. Simply type in keywords related to your interests or market needs. Filter your results by orders to see what's selling the most. This helps you identify popular products that have a proven track record of sales. Another powerful tool is the Dropshipping Center. This feature is a game changer for anyone looking to streamline their dropshipping business. This feature provides insights into trending products, shipping times, and supplier information specifically for dropshippers. With these analytics, you can make informed decisions and optimize your inventory. Section 5: AliExpress by the numbers. Let's dive into some fascinating statistics that showcase the immense reach and influence of this global e-commerce giant. AliExpress boasts over 150 million active buyers worldwide. This vast user base spans across numerous countries and regions, making it a truly international platform. That's a huge potential market for your products. Imagine the possibilities of reaching such a diverse and engaged audience. Some of the most popular categories include fashion, consumer electronics, and home and garden. These categories consistently attract millions of buyers, driving significant sales. These numbers highlight the sheer scale of AliExpress. The platform's growth has been phenomenal, with more and more consumers turning to it for their shopping needs. By understanding what's trending on this platform, you're tapping into a global marketplace of eager shoppers. Staying updated with these trends can give your business a competitive edge and help you cater to the demands of a worldwide audience. Section 6: Ready, Set, Source. Finding hot products on AliExpress takes a bit of exploration and a keen eye. By following these tips and using the platform's tools, you can uncover hidden gems and profitable opportunities. Happy sourcing!